Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn very basic, I would say, the visualization, how we can make visualization little attractive, how we can do that. That's what we are going to learn. Here you guys can see on the top that I have already written the economic comparison among the countries, right? So here I have the different countries and I just have little data. Okay, I demo data I have, okay, not actual. So here I just created some visual, and with the visual, not only one, I have created the multiple visual, and I just I'm controlling them by the buttons that you can see on the top. Okay, on the top here you guys can see that here we have a army comparison, the hospital comparison, and one more which is currently hidden, right? So here what we can do, if I'm clicking on army comparison, so here you will be able to see the this button actually is getting visible, which is the population comparison. So how we can control these charts through these small buttons, right? If I'm clicking on hospitalization comparison, you see, okay, population comparison, army comparison, so you see everything is getting changed. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, that's what we are going to learn. So let's do it from the starting. So here I already have my data. Okay, this is the data I have, small data, and I'm creating new sheet here and removing the view grid line and merging some cells here like this, and writing here the same, copy and paste. Okay, and let's make it in the center, increase the size of it. Okay, and you guys can give the color whatever color that you want to give. For example, I would like to give this color, seems better. Okay, now I would like to take this icon, copy and this paste here. Okay, simple. So far we have done. Now what next we need to do? We need to just create a simple report. Just alt NVT, create the the pivot, small pivot, drop this country in the rows and population. Simple. Okay, again just you need to copy it, copy and paste, and you guys can convert it into the percent. Okay, show value as a grand total of the percent. Okay, and for army, what you can show here the static amount, that will be the grade. Okay, and copy and paste. Okay, for hospitalization, for the hospitalization you need to come. I'm not showing education, you can add it by yourself if you want to add. Okay, but I'm not adding. So here it seems, I think it will be better that if you will show in the number, and this you can show in, I think, percent, it will look better. Not okay, let's make it as number. So what you can do, you can do directly, you can just convert this number into the thousand, as I already told you. Control 1, go in the custom, here you have to write one thing, hash comma hash a. Okay, in millions you can show even hash comma hash in millions, right? So the format we have to define little better, hash comma hash just copy this format, simple, and paste it. Copy, you have already copied, come and paste it, simple. Okay, paste it. So now we have done. Now simple, create the chart. Here we have this dashboard, I am dragging here, simple, and report we have here, right? Now you just need to create a simple chart, come here and create a simple chart of this. You can create this chart. Okay, control X, control B, simple. A simple thing you have to do. Okay, remove it, make it full screen. Now it will be better for the visualization. See, okay, it seems good. Right click, hide all the buttons. Okay, remove the grid line, remove this, this way. Here you can write comparison, population comparison. Okay, between among, okay, simple. Make it bold and set it on the corner, simple. and you can remove it. Oh, sorry. Now you can add the label if you guys want to add. Right now, right click and add labels. You did it here, and you can make it a little. You can decorate it as per your requirement. Okay. Just select it and come here, and you can select this color if you want to. Okay, and you also can increase the size of this width. So right click, format data series, come here you have a gap width, increase it if you want to increase. Okay, and select it, and now you can make it as white, so it will look better. Okay, it will look better, you see, it is really looking better. Okay, now if you will make it full screen, so it will look better, you see, it is really looking better. Okay, and you can remove it, this axis you can remove. I remove the color, you can change the color of it, select it, and font color you can, as a same color you can keep it. So it is now really looking better. Now three buttons we have to create. Come here and select these three buttons. Okay, so first for right click and edit population comparison first. Okay, and now let's give the same color, make it white, and shape, shape format you guys can do it, shape effect you can change. Shape effect is not changed. Why? Just copy and paste. Simple. Next, for color, you guys can change it as per your requirement. Okay. Army comparison. Okay. And third is your hospitalization, hospital comparison. Okay. All right. Now next chart we need to create for the army. Come insert and take one line chart. Take this line chart. Cut it simple and come here and paste it. After pasting, drag it, and you have to make it the full size so that it will look better when you will do. So we are creating two charts. Okay, we are overlapping now. Simple. Okay, and right click, just remove this axis, right click and hide all the fill buttons, and you can write here comparison, army comparison in among the countries. Okay, make it bold, remove the grid line if you want, and just take it and drag it here. Okay, and remove it. Now here right click on the line, simple right click on the line, format data series, make it first smooth. Let's make it smooth. Smooth we have done. Now what color you would like to give? For example, I would like to give the color, this color I would like to give, right? And marker I would like to change as, you know, increase the size of it, solid fill, and in the solid you can give, for example, this one. This will look better. The maroon is better. Okay. So this is the color we have given. Now what you can do is simply click and add the label, data label you have to add. Simple. Okay. And now we have added. Make it bold. Okay, make it bold. So, and where we created this chart on the wrong data actually. That's the problem. So we have to create the chart here. So just select and come and select this line chart. Simple. And now here I would like to give one trick, and I just cutted it. Okay. Now you can come and paste it, and after pasting, right click and hide all buttons. Okay, hide all buttons, remove it. Okay, now you just copy and format paste, Control Alt V, copy and Control Alt V. Oh, because I am doing it on the pivot, that's a problem. Okay, no worries, I am removing it, it's okay. Full screen. Okay, full screen, make it a little bigger like this. Simple. Remove the grid line, and right here comparison army comparison in among the countries. Okay, make it bold and adjust it somewhere like this. Okay, and I would like to give the color as smooth first, smooth, and solid line I would like to give the same. Marker I would like to increase the size of the marker, and I would like to give the solid fill. Simple. And now add the label, data label. You have to make it bold. Simple. Okay, I'm doing everything very simple, guys, for you. Very simple. Okay, so now I have a two chart, first and second. So this let's change the font size of it. Font size we have to change it as this one. All right, so this is chart 2, this is chart 7. Okay, chart 2, chart 2, chart 7. Two charts we have, we have created so far. Now what is the last chart we have to create? Last chart we have to create on hospitalization. I already have my cursor there. I just come and I can directly select the area chart. So area chart we have here. This is just now cut it, come here and paste it. Okay, and make it full screen so that it will be easy for us to draw it, and change the format as well. Simple. Remove the grid line, hide all buttons. Simple. Okay, and here you can write here hospitalization, hospitalization comparison in among the countries. Okay, that's we did. Spelling is little long. Now make it on this. Now keep it on the left side. Remove it and remove this total as well. And now change the font color of this legend and make it as I would like to give the color of green color. Make it bold. And here you have to make it green. Simple. And now go in the format and shape effect. I would like to have this one. Now it is looking better. If I can add the label, so it will be great. So I right click, instead of label, let's make it as error bar. Okay, and data label you have to add. Simple. Nothing you have to do more than this. Now come on home, make it full screen. You see, it is really looking better. It is really looking better. And but only you need to change it as green. The font I would like to give it as green. It is looking better. Now what you can see, now my simple requirement, if I will click on population comparison, I would like to see that population, the visual which I created. If I will select on the army comparison, I would like to have that army, and I just need to substitute, I need to make the buttons as well as visible. So this is shape 1. For example, I'm giving the name shape 1, shape 1, and this is shape 2, for example. Okay, my system got hanged. Okay, it's getting loaded. What happened? Microsoft Excel has stopped. Okay, it's getting restart. Very good. Let's wait. Let's wait. It will get up. It will get open automatic. Sometimes this happens. Let's see. I have a same chart. Okay. So here this is shape 1, and now I would like to say this is shape 2, shape 2, and this is shape 3, shape 3. Now Alt F11. I have chart. This is chart 8, chart 2, chart 7, chart 8 I have, right? And I can add it. Simple. Now what code you have to write 3 code. Option explicit, sub procedure population, for example. Okay, here I can do one thing. What is the sheet name? Sheet number is sheet 4 dot chart object. I have chart 2. In chart 2 is my visible equal to true. Okay, I have chart 7 and 8. I would like to make it invisible. 7 and 8 should be false. Simple code you have to write false. And sheet 4 dot shapes, shape 1 should be visible. It should not be, it should get hidden, it should get hide. Now copy false. And shape 2 and 3 I would like to make it visible. 2 and 3 should be true and true. Now if I will, if I will right click and I will assign the macro, you see what will happen. This workbook, okay, in this workbook, what I have here, population. Just click on it. Simple. If I will click here, what is the problem? Let me save it. Let me save it first. Here I have in binary. I would like to save economy comparison charts. Okay. Now Alt F11. I have population. Now right click on it. Assign macro. Still, what is the problem? Let's go in the macro security. I have everything enabled. Just save it and reclose. Close and reopen it. Let me reopen it. What is the problem happen? Here we are getting stuck, otherwise everything is done. Okay. Now make it full screen. Right click. You see, as soon as I clicked, you see that that button gone, and every the army comparison and hospital comparison visual which I created, it got hidden. Right now, a similar for these two buttons I have to do the same thing. So now just you have to copy and paste. Here you have to do army. Simple, you can keep any name. Okay, I would like to make it false. This, the start 7 is your army comparison visual, right? You have to make it visible. Okay, and it should be true, and it should be true, it should be false, and it should be true. Okay, now same, just you have to copy and paste. And army, here you have to write here hospital. Okay, and make it true, make it false, and it should be true. And now here same, true, and this should be false. We just need to now assign macro. It should be army. Yep, right click. It should be hospital. Now let's make it full screen. Army, yeah, great. Hospital, wow, you see, now it is really working so well. That's how that we can create, and it is something which is basic thing, very basic. I just taught you today, and this really helps us, when we are working on the massive dashboard, and we want that, should reflect that we have done some automation, right? So here we have written the 4 lines of a code which really is helping me to see the visual, okay, as per the requirement, guys. So I hope, guys, that you have liked this video, and thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot, everyone.